Chevrolet has unleashed a beast. Meet the all-new Silverado EV ZR2, a 1,085 horsepower electric race truck built to conquer the desert and dominate the dirt. This is no ordinary pickup. This is pure electric power redefined, built to compete in Nevada's legendary Mint 400. The Silverado EV ZR2 packs a powerful punch with a tri-motor electric powertrain pushing out an insane 1,085 horsepower and a mind-blowing 11,500 pounds-ft of torque. That's right, this electric monster leaves the standard Silverado EV's 750 horsepower in the dust. But power isn't everything. Chevy has given this race-ready ZR to lifted suspension with Multimatic's adaptive dampers, allowing for up to 13 inches of wheel travel both front and rear. And with locking differentials and underbody protection, this truck is built to tackle even the roughest desert terrain. Behind the wheel will be off-road racing veteran Chad Hall, who knows exactly what it takes to push this powerhouse to the limit. As Hall puts it, an off-road race like the Mint 400 is equivalent to a lifetime of vehicle wear and tear. This race is no joke, and neither is this Silverado. And if you're not quite ready for 1,085 horsepower, Chevrolet has you covered. The upcoming Silverado EV Trail Boss brings rugged capabilities straight from the factory, featuring a factory-installed lift, red tow hooks, and a powerful terrain mode for serious off-road adventures. The Silverado EV ZR2 is proof that electric power isn't just for the streets, it's built to conquer the wild. Stay tuned as this beast takes on the desert in the ultimate test of strength and endurance. Chevrolet's electric revolution is just getting started.